All right, I'd like you to look at page 168 in your textbook. We're on 5.2, and we're going to do a little bit more on this video than we have in the past videos. We're going to be handling pages 168 and 169. Pause the video if you don't have your textbook, and you also need a piece of paper and a pencil to do some sample problems on. All right, so here we go. We're trying to learn how to do real-world problems involving rates and unit rates. I'm on the somewhat up towards the top of the box, or the top of the page inside this box that says learn. Solve simple word problems involving rates and unit rates. A machine can pack 70 boxes of spaghetti in 5 minutes. At this rate, how many boxes of spaghetti can it pack in 8 minutes? So we know that the rate is 70 to 5, and this is 70 boxes that it packs of spaghetti in 5 minutes. So that's kind of a speed, but it's not a unit speed. So we need to get this down to an actual speed that's in single units. And the way we do that, the only thing we can divide 5 by is 5. So let's divide that by 5 and divide this by 5. And we get 1, and the boxes goes down to 14. So the speed at which this machine is packing boxes is 14 boxes per minute. I'll just put MIN. 14 boxes per minute is the speed. And it says how many boxes of spaghetti can be packed in 8 minutes. Well, if there's 14 boxes in 1 minute per minute, all I have to do is multiply that by 8. 4 times 8 is 32. And 11. 112 boxes can be packed in 8 minutes. All right, so there's your solution for that first problem. And now I would like you to pause the video and try numbers. Just do number 1, actually. Do number 1. Don't let the video keep going. You want to do it on your own first, and then turn the video back on when you're ready to see the solution to that. All right, so here we go. Let's see, I'm gonna minimize this. No, that's not working. No, I'll just do it down here. Okay, so number 1 says a unicycle wheel makes 196 revolutions in 7 minutes. At this rate, you gotta figure out what that rate is. How many revolutions does it make in 1 minute? Okay, so we want the unit rate. And so all we have to do is do 196. I'm going to put R for revolutions, and it takes it 7 minutes to do that. So it's a division problem, or I can think of it as dividing this by 7 and dividing that by 7. So we should get in 1 minute 196 divided by 7. That goes in twice, which is 14, and that's a 5, 56, and 8. So it does 28 revolutions per minute. That's the answer to part A. Part B, at this rate, how many revolutions does the unicycle wheel make in 15 minutes? Well, if it does this 28 in 1 minute, then you can do 28 times 15, and 8 times 5 is 40. 10 is 14, 28 there. Getting small way down to the bottom. So that's 420, a total of 420 revolutions in the 15 minutes. All right, now pause the video and do number 2 on your own. And then when you've done number 2, turn it back on to see if you got it right. All right, I'm moving that off to the side there so we can do number 2. This is number 2. On page 169. You should have already done it yourself. It says Megan babysits for 5 hours and earns $60. So at this rate, how much does she earn in 1 hour? And this one, they kind of gave it to us backwards. Got to be careful here. It's $60 for 5 hours of work. All right, and then obviously I'm going to divide both by 5, divide by 5, and we end up with a $12 for 1 hour rate, $12 per hour. And the question says, you know, how much does she earn? She earns $12 an hour for part A. For part B, at this rate, how much will Megan earn if she babysits for 14 hours? Well, at $12 an hour for 14 hours, we can just multiply 12 times 4. I can do that in my head, and 12 times 1 or 12 times 10 is actually what you're doing. And so she would earn $168 for babysitting for the 14 hours. All right, that's it. Stay tuned for our next video.